Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify modal versus drawer decisions for product apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify modal versus drawer decisions for product apps, start by defining your user goals. Identify the primary tasks your users will perform within your app. Next, analyze the context in which these tasks will take place. Consider whether users need quick access to additional options or if they require a more focused experience. Create user personas to understand the different needs of your audience. Once you have your personas, map out user journeys for each persona. As you map these journeys, highlight specific touchpoints where users might need additional information or actions. Evaluate the complexity of these touchpoints. If a touchpoint requires multiple actions, a modal could be effective. Conversely, if only one or two actions are needed, a drawer might suffice. Conduct research on existing user interface patterns to see common practices in similar apps. Gather feedback from your team or stakeholders on initial designs for modals and drawers. Prototype both options using wireframing tools. Include key interactions and visual elements in your prototypes. Test both prototypes with real users to observe their interactions. Watch for confusion or frustration that may arise with either design. Collect qualitative data through user interviews after testing. Quantitative data can also be gathered through analytics tools if available. Analyze the results to determine which option users preferred overall. Consider their feedback about usability and effectiveness for completing tasks. Review the findings to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each design. Finally, make an informed decision based on user preference and the context of use. Document your findings and share them with your team for future reference. Continually iterate on your design based on ongoing user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.